Yo, this one here goes out to all my players out there, man. You know, that got that one good girl, dawg, that's always been there.